What up, YouTube? I'm hitting you guys with another review. As you can see, I managed to cop a Nike shoe right there. It's a triple black color wave. Alright, so you can see I got the Nike Air Max Tavas. I'm a size 10. There's other sizes like in different countries. Right there, let me see if my camera could get that. Sorry guys, hold up. Oh, it says this is the black. It says triple black Tavas or something like that. Alright guys, so this is the shoe itself. When I saw this shoe, I had to get it. Retail price was 90 bucks, I think, plus tax, so basically 95 bucks. And this colorway for the Nike Air Max Tavas was like freaking nice. So when they took out the triple black, I had to get them. There's the midsole, all black basically. There's the swoosh, it's a cool gray. Behind, you can see Nike Air. And this shoe's freaking comfortable. Like, once I tried them on, I was like, damn, these shoes, they're like one of the best Nike's releases. And right there's the Nike logo, Nike mesh. And yeah, guys, this shoe has a lot of cushioning in, so it's a pretty good shoe. There's the pull tab. And this shoe, that Air Max right there, it's really comfortable. Like, if you try this shoe on, you'll replace all your shoes for this single shoe right here. Right there, it's a breathable shoe, so your feet won't be like sweaty. It will actually get nice air into your feet. Right here, the outsole says Nike. Pretty nice midsole. There, that's pretty much it. And inside, it says, let me see if my camera could get that, because I'm trying to get it focused. Well, it says NikeBetterRoll.com, and I got these from Foot Locker. And I mean, I really recommend this shoe. If you guys have the money to buy shoes that cost like $95, this is one of them. Especially when you guys are looking for just a single color wave that's really like not that really colorful. But this shoe, really recommend it. This shoe gets a 1 out of 10, a 10 out of 10. Man, alright guys, let's get on foot.